Singaporeans will tell you that Nasi Lemak came from Singapore. It did. It didn't, honey. It came from Malaysia. Singapore tries to take everything from us. Henry Golding, Nasi Lemak, water. Any kind of adventure in Malaysia always starts with first we find food. And today, we're gonna go eat at Village Park for their famous Nasi Lemak. Here it is. We're here for the Nasi Lemak ayam goreng. So we're gonna get one of that. Let's do a goat, yeah. And then we're gonna do Village Park's coffee set because there's a thumbs up right there. And I wanna eat it because it's this thing. Here we got the Nasi Lemak with the mutton. Oh my god, look at that, yum. And this is the Nasi Lemak with the fried chicken, the ayam goreng. This is the star of the show. We have the ayam butter toast, which is a Malaysian style toast with the kaya and soft boiled eggs and some iced coffee because it's hot right now. Let's go, let's dig in. Some mutton shots. Alright, let me show you how to make some soft boiled eggs. So step 1, crack the egg open. Get it all out. Ooh, damn. Looks good. This is some soy sauce. I'm gonna put just a little bit. This is pepper. Then you mix it. And that is some solid protein. And this is the kaya butter toast. You want to take the toast, dip it in your eggs. Damn. We swapped, and now I got the chicken. Look at the crunchiness of this chicken. Now that we've eaten the best meal of our lives, I guess it's just downhill from here. Nah, I'm kidding. It's gonna be more food. That's all we're doing in Malaysia, we're eating.